Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to rotate texture in Blender. In this tutorial, I will make it simple. I will add a plan. So go to Add, Merge, and add a plan here. Close up to view it. And in this tutorial, I will suggest to use shader editor. So we can go to the corner and click and drag to split viewports into two. One is for material preview. I press Set and choose material preview here. And then the left one, I will use the shader editor. And then we can go to the top. We can add a new material for the plan. So Principled BSDF shader look is added. We can check it by changing the color. And then we can add image texture. I press Shift A and then search image texture. And then I put it here and collect color to base color. Next, we can click open and link your image and then press open to preview the image. So we can see the wooden floor on the plan. I change it to top view and go back to shader editor. I should add this panel. And then next, if we want to rotate the image texture, we can press Shift A to search mapping. And I put it here and Shift A and search texture coordinates. And I put it here. We can use generated or we can use UV or others. In this tutorial, I will use generated, collect to vector of mapping. And then vector of mapping connects to vector of image texture. If you want to rotate it, we can use rotation instead to rotate it. For example, we can rotate in -45 degrees. Furthermore, we can move it, we can scale it. It depends on your situation. So this is how we can rotate texture in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.